Welcome to Comparing Fractions and Decimals, 5th grade, Math Standards of Learning. Let's start with comparing fractions. And here we have the comparing symbols, the greater than increasing in the right, less than increasing in the left, and equal to. So when we're comparing fractions, we compare numerators. So therefore, the denominator has to be the same. If the denominators are the same, we go ahead and compare the numbers in the numerator. However, if the denominators are different, we have to create common denominator by using equivalent fractions. So let's go to these examples. 2/6 and 4/6. How do they compare? Well, first, we have common denominator, so we just go ahead and compare the numerators. 2 is less than 4, so a symbol will be 2/6 is less than 4/6. So we put our less than symbol right there. Next, 9/12 and 7/12. The denominators are the same, so we compare the numerators. 9 is greater than 7, so our comparing symbol will be 9/12 is greater than 7/12. Next, 1/2 and 6/7. Now the denominators are different, so we have to find a common denominator. The highest common factor of 2 and 7 is 14. So we're going to bring these denominators to 14th. What did we do to 2 to make 14? We multiply by 7. So we're going to multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. So this will give us 7 over 14. 7 over 14. Next, what did we do to 7 to make 14? We multiplied by 2. So we multiply by 2 to get 14, and we need to multiply by 2. 6 times 2, 12. And 7 times 2, 14. Now that our denominators are the same, we can compare the numerator. 7 is less than 12, so 1/2 is less than 6/7. So we're going to put our less than symbol right here. 1/2 is less than 6/7. Next, 1/3 and 1/4. The highest common factor of 3 and 4 is 12. So we're going to bring 3 and 4 to 12. What did we do to 3 to make 12? We multiply by 4. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. 4 times 1, 4. And 3 times 4, 12. So that's 4 over 12. What did we do to 4 to make 12? We multiply by 3. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. 1 times 3, 3. And 4 times 3, 12. So now our denominators are common. So we're going to compare the numerators. So 4 12s, 4 is greater than 3. So 1/3 is greater than a quarter. So let's put our greater than symbol right here. And now let's move on to decimals. So when we are comparing decimals, we write the decimal numbers in the same place value. That means we must have the same number of digits after the point. And then we can compare the numbers. So let's look at the first one. 0.87 and 0.82. So we look at the first number. We cannot compare because they're the same. We look at the hundredth. We have 700th and 200th. 7 is greater than 2. So therefore, 0.87 is greater than 0.82. So put our greater than symbol right here. Next, we have 0.009 and 0.09. Now, this decimal has 3 places. That means it went up to 1,000. So we have to write this one in 1,000 as well. And remember that placing a 0 at the end of a decimal does not change the value. So we're going to put a 0 as a placeholder. Now we have 3 digits after the point. So let's start comparing. We have a 0 here. Cannot compare. We have a 0 here and a 9 here. So 9 is greater than 0. So therefore, this number is less than this one. So we're going to put our less than symbol right here. Next, 0.6 and 0.60. Here again, we have 2 digits after the point. So we need to make this the same by putting a 0 as a placeholder. It doesn't change the value. Just a placeholder to make the 2 decimals have the same placeholder. Now we can compare. 6. We have a 6 here and we have a 6 here. These cannot compare. We have a 0 here and we have a 0 here. They cannot compare. So therefore, 0.6 is greater than 0.60 is the same as 0.60. So here, we're going to put our equal sign. They are the same. So we put our equal. Next we have 0.3 and 0.33. Let's put our placeholder. Now we can compare. 3 here and 3 here. Cannot compare. We have a 0 here and a 3 here. So this 0 is less than that 3. So 0.3 is less than 0.33. Less. And here at the bottom, we have some decimals with whole number. This one, 6.217, 6.4. So this one has more numbers. So we're not going to assume that because it has more numbers, it is greater. Let's go through the same procedure, the same method. So the decimal right here went up to 1,000. So we have to make this the same. So we're going to add 2 zeros. Now we can compare. The 6 is the same. The 2, we have a 2 here in the 10th place, and we have a 4 here in the 10th place. 2 is less than 4, so therefore 6.217 is less than 6.4. Less. Next, 5.72 and 5.720. 3 places of decimal. So let's put a 0 right here to make it the same. And now we can compare. The whole number is the same, 5. We have a 7 in the 10th place. In both 10th place, so there's no comparison there. We have 2 in the 100th place, both no comparison, and we have zeros. So here, the 5.2, the 5.72, and the 5.720, those two decimals are equal. So let's put our equal sign right here. Okay. So let's go over and make sure we have our signs right. Greater than, less than, equal, less than, and equal. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.